Welcome to our comprehensive review of the Kisnt wireless mechanical keyboard. This innovative keyboard is designed to cater to both gamers and typists alike, offering unmatched versatility and a premium typing experience. Its purpose is to provide users with a high-performance, compact layout keyboard that can easily switch between devices using Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and a dependable wired USB-C connection. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its tri-mode connectivity. Whether you're gaming, working on a project, or simply browsing, the keyboard allows you to connect through Bluetooth 5.0 for convenience, 2.4 GHz wireless for a fast and stable connection, or wired USB-C when you need the utmost efficiency and stability. The inclusion of a 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery means the keyboard can last up to a week on moderate use, ensuring that you're not frequently interrupted by charging sessions. When it comes to typing, the Kisnt keyboard truly shines. Designed with a gasket-mounted build and enhanced with bass dampeners and multiple layers of sound-dampening foam, the keyboard delivers a remarkably creamy and thocky sound with every keystroke. This attention to acoustic detail makes it feel less hollow and more satisfying, a significant upgrade from your traditional keyboards. Additionally, the pre-lubed B-Sun linear switches offer smooth, consistent keystrokes that enhance both gaming and typing performance. And if customization is your thing, the hot swap capability, compatible with both 5-pin and 3-pin switches, lets even beginners easily modify their keyboard without the need for soldering. The 75% compact layout is another highlight. With a total of 85 keys, this keyboard expertly balances space-saving design with full functionality by retaining essential arrow keys. For users transitioning from full-sized keyboards, there might be a brief adjustment period, but the benefits of reduced desk clutter are immediate. The retro beige, double-shot PBT keycaps, coupled with 20 configurable RGB lighting effects, add a nostalgic yet modern appeal. The keyboard software further elevates the experience by allowing you to set up custom macros, shortcuts, and personalized lighting modes. While many similar products exist in the market, the Kisnt keyboard stands out due to its robust design, superior sound dampening features, and versatile connectivity options. However, potential buyers should note that the compact layout might not suit everyone's preference, especially if you're used to a full numeric pad. A separate numeric keypad is available, but it is an extra purchase. For optimal use, we recommend taking some time to customize the RGB settings and macros to suit your specific workflow or gaming requirements. Regular cleaning and proper switch maintenance will help ensure that you continue enjoying its premium performance. In conclusion, the Kisnt wireless mechanical keyboard is a top contender for anyone seeking a balance between style, performance, and reliability. It is ideal for gamers, professionals, and keyboard enthusiasts looking for a compact yet feature-rich experience. Thank you for tuning in, and happy typing.